So we have here the fan assembly SK5503 from Rittal, which has here a power socket and also another one for the fan controller electronics that supports speed regulation and monitoring. But for our application we won't use this, only this. And we're gonna couple it together with the thermostat SK3110 which is this one here. It is rated operating voltage 24 to 230 volts alternative current or 2460 volts direct current. It contains a single pole changeover contact, so NO and C. It's used to switch heating and cooling loads, and these are the terminals 4 and 3. As you can see, I wired them just for the cooling part, so the fans will run only when the cabinet temperature rises above the thermostat set point. For example, right now is 25 degrees the ambient temperature and it's clicking. The wiring steps are quite simple. I bring 230 volts to the thermostat. So this cable will go to 5 and 6. The phase, the brown to the 5 and the neutral to the 6. And the other part of the cable, which are connected here, I wired it to 4 and 6. So terminal 4 will be the line, that will be the feed fan to module, and the neutral I wired it together with the other one. So because this thermostat has no protective earth terminal, I will wire them together, the PEs, the ground wire, because this fan assembly must be earthed. So by wiring them together, it will go to the earth through this pole. In Switzerland is the middle one. Right now I'm measuring here 5 and 6 when I put the temperature higher, and as soon as the temperature will go down, like you hear the click, and now with it connected, I measure between 4 and 6 because it's under the ambient, so the fan should start working to reach the under ambient temperature. So it supplies 231 volts, and if I turn it above ambient, it means almost 0 volts. So the temperature was reached, so cutting powers to the fans. The fan started more slowly. Why? Because when 4 or 5 fans start at the same time, exactly the same time, their combined startup current spike could overload the direct current supply. So what the controller here did, it turned them on one by one, so they didn't start it all together. So this green PCB is monitoring each fan tachometer signal to see the rotation per minute feedback. So it will start the fan 1, it will wait for stable tach pulses, and then it will start the fan 2 and then 3 and etc.